So a BMP file is a file format that is known as a bitmap. The same for a JPEG. The difference between them has to do with what's called compression and compression rates. So what you're really seeing is when you have a photograph, that photograph is made up of a bunch of pixels. And you can see as I zoom into this here, you can see all these little boxes are pixels. So if I was to erase one of those, basically what I'm erasing is the pixels. So if I change the size of my eraser here, make that a little smaller, you can see that each one of these, as I click, is a pixel. So I'm erasing the pixel, and I can only erase the pixel one at a time. And this becomes a problem in the cutting machines because what happens is the blade wants to come up and it's going to jog, and when you hear your machine like working really hard, it's making all these little cuts, and that's why you want to use an SVG file or a vector-based file would be better suited for cutting machines or drawing. So a bitmap and a JPEG are basically pixel images that are created either from scanning an object like on a scanner or taking a photograph of it. So a picture or photograph stored as a JPEG file or a BMP file or typical file formats, they are all what are known as raster files.